Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video right here on Bitcoin. We're going to do a full update on the last 24 hours. Last 24 hours not much has happened, or at least not much that's very relevant. The volume of course has been quite low over the course of the weekend, but we'll talk about tomorrow when we will get some more volatility back and some more volume. Then Tuesday when we get more volume, because tomorrow is Labor Day in the United States, so the financial markets are closed. We're still going to get quite a lot of volume, right? Because the Asian markets and the European markets are open, and during the US hours, there will also be some trading. But that means that Tuesday real volume comes in, and then next week we'll have some major news as well, with PMI data on Tuesday and Thursday, and then non-farm payrolls and unemployment rate on Friday. So that is something I'll talk a little bit more in depth about in my middle of the day market update today, but I briefly wanted to warn you for that in this video as well. Also, for those of you who missed it, tomorrow we have the launch of the World Liberty Financial Token. If you want to know, what you need to know about that, consider checking my last video I made on that yesterday afternoon. Check that out. But for now, that's it. Let's get into Bitcoin. So I have some mixed thoughts on Bitcoin at this point of time. Honestly, it doesn't look great. If you look at the daily time frame right here, the price action that we have seen since the 14th of August looks quite a lot like the start of a downtrend. Now, the thing is that at this point of time, it looks like the start of a downtrend. I don't think it's fully confirmed yet. We are still, if you look at the higher time frames, we are still holding a crucial support level right here. With the level around 108,000, which is not only a respected high time frame support level, but now it's also supported by the 3-day trend in the middle of that, a 50 EMA on the 3-day time frame, the 0.618 FIB, and a bit of a psychological level at 110,000. So this is a very, very strong support level. The thing is that if you look at this, right, the 12-hour time frame, and you look at all the times that we went into consolidation and we had a bit of a bit of bearish pressure, because that's the best case scenario, right? That we are still in a consolidation and that this is just a move into the bottom of the range before we're still going to get a move up. And I still think this is a possibility. I just think it's not most likely at this point of time. Because if you look at all the other times that we were into a consolidation and we actually pushed into the bottom of that consolidation, it never looked like this. All right, this is actually quite strong selling pressure. You can look at this right here in June. This was fueled by bad news. Beginning of June, also fueled by bad news. If you take a look at this was also bad news, but we weren't consolidating here. If you look at this, I mean, never it looked like the start of a downtrend until it actually became the downtrend, right? So therefore, I think we need to, of course, nothing is 100% the same in crypto. And I do still think that fundamentally, there's no reason to expect a downtrend. Like at the start of this year, we also went into a downtrend, but then fundamentally, we had a good reason to get into that. Now we're getting rate cuts. The equity markets are still extremely strong. There's some crypto-specific good news coming out. So therefore, I think technically, and by the way, I mean, technically, we've also gotten a little bit of recovery over the course of the last 24 hours. But therefore, look, the main level to look at, in my opinion, is this level right here at 111,000. Reclaim that on the higher time frames. We're fine. This was the bottom of the range, and we're going to get a move into the top of the range right here at 120,000. If we're unable to reclaim that, which at this point of time, we have not reclaimed that, right? And at this point of time, we're only getting bearish confirmations. So therefore, my analysis and my prediction for now would be that we are bearish, and that we're going to continue to be bearish into this main support level right here between 105 and 103, where we have a fair value gap, but also the bottom of the 3-day trend and some other major support levels. So I would say this is slightly more likely, but I'm definitely not giving up hope. I'll keep you updated on this in my middle of the day market updates and tomorrow morning. So hopefully I'll see you there. But for now, that's it. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye.